So I just spent 70 bucks on a screwdriver. Not a drill, not some fancy electric torque tool, a manual screwdriver. Yeah, I know. I know. Some of you already clicked on this video just to judge me. And that's fine, all right? But sit down, let's talk about it. Because at the end of the day, this video is not about a screwdriver. So this is the LTT transparent screwdriver from Linus Tech Tips. And yeah, it looks cool as hell. All right, I got the transparent gray one. It has a clear handle. You could see all the internals. It looks like something you'd find in Cyberpunk on PlayStation. And of course, because it's LTT, they're not just going to slap their name on some piece of junk and call it a day. This thing is actually built very solid. It's built very well. You've got a ratcheting mechanism that's smooth as butter, okay? There's solid torque on it for a manual screwdriver. It has a magnetic bit holder. The bit storage is right inside the handle. And it has a nice weight to it in the hand, all right? It's not too light, and it's not, I just picked up a dumbbell heavy. And the grip, it feels like you're holding on to something that was actually designed by people who have used tools before, okay? Not just engineers in the lab guessing what a hand looks like. So yeah, on paper, it's a legit high quality screwdriver. But let's be real here for a second. I didn't buy this thing because I needed a screwdriver. I've got screwdrivers. You've got screwdrivers. Everybody watching this video probably has a junk drawer right in your kitchen that has 5 screwdrivers that you could work on a small spaceship with. So why did I drop 70 bucks on this thing? I bought this to support the people that have entertained and educated me for years. That's it. That's the whole play. Here's the deal. If you've ever sat there at night scrolling through YouTube and learning something, laughing at something, figuring out how to fix your camera or your microphone or your computer, you didn't get that for free, all right? That didn't just magically fall out of the sky and happen. Yeah, it didn't cost you anything in that particular moment, but somebody put in the work. Somebody stayed up late editing. Somebody tested gear. Somebody spent money so that you didn't have to. And then we all just sit back like, yeah, cool video, swipe up onto the next one. No, that ain't the way to play the game, all right? If a channel gives you value, real value, whether it's knowledge, entertainment, or just helping you feel like you're not completely out of touch with technology anymore, you owe them something. Now, but before anyone gets all defensive, I'm not saying you need to go broke buying merch from YouTube creators. Relax, all right? But if you can, buy something, a shirt, a mug, a stupid overpriced screwdriver that you absolutely don't need. Because that purchase, that's you saying, yo, I see the work you're putting into it. Keep it going. I'll tell you what I do personally. At the absolute minimum, okay, I'll always wear a creator shirt in a video on this channel if I respect what they're doing. Whether it's a musician, whether it's Hecklefish from the Y-Files, whether it's Small Town Monsters, or just any of the dozens of shows and podcasts that I watch on a regular basis on YouTube. That's my way of kind of putting them out there. That's me saying, go check these people out. They're worth your time. And if you can't buy anything, no problem, all right? Then you support them in other ways. You share their videos. You tell your friends about them. You drop a comment in the comment section. You hit the like button, all right? Yeah, it actually matters whether people want to admit it or not, that stuff moves the needle forward more than most of you realize. Look, I'm building a channel right now too. And I'm telling you straight up, when somebody buys something or shares a video or even just takes the time to comment, that means something. That's fuel. That's what keeps people showing up and making more content. So yeah, this isn't just a screwdriver to me. It's a thank you. It's me saying you guys have helped me, entertained me, taught me stuff. So here's me giving a little tiny something back. And let's be honest, this thing is probably going to sit on my desk, just looking cool. Maybe I'll use it once every 6 months to tighten something, and I'll feel like a badass doing it. But that's not the point. The point is that if we want good content to exist, if we want real creators, not just algorithm chasing nonsense, if we want people actually putting in the work, then we've got to support them. Because if we don't, they'll stop doing it. Or even worse, they'll turn into something that they never wanted to be just to survive the algorithm. So here's the move, all right? Think of one channel you watch all the time. The one show that you never miss, the one that's actually helped you. Go support them, however you can. Because at the end of the day, this whole thing only works if we keep it alive. And yeah, sometimes that means buying a $70 screwdriver that you don't need and being completely fine with it. Till next time, guys, stay loud, stay a little reckless, and go out and make something. See you next time.